This is lesson 25, subtraction word problems. And you are going to get a great workout, mathletes, today. First off, let's begin. Marco had 42 cards. Then he mailed some cards. Now he has 26 cards. How many cards did Marco have? I'm going to slide this over just a little. Did Marco mail? So, it helps that we take a minute and understand what we have. He had this big batch, and then he mailed some of them right here. Now we want to know how many he has left. I'm going to erase that really fast. Okay, so we have 42 cards, and he mailed some. We're going to just put S, and now he has 26 cards. Sometimes when I'm having a hard time picturing things, sometimes I draw it. So this is all of his cards, and then these are the ones that he mailed away. And so we want to find out what's left here. So I am going to try a couple of strategies. 2 minus 6 is what? Oh, I know I'm going to have to say, do you know what? What could I do here? 26 minus S. You know what? What if we took 42 and we subtracted 26 from it? That would give us this number in here as well, because we can add these two numbers and it will give us 42. So I'm going to add these, I'm going to subtract these two numbers. Let's see if that will work. I'm going to say 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. Let's try this. Let's check. (42) minus 16. Is this going to give us the number we want? Let's see. 3 minus 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. Yay! It works! So he mailed out 16 cards. Tamika donated 42 books. Now she has 26 books. What's up with the number 26 today? How many books did Tamika have in the beginning? So it's going to look like, okay, here are the books all the books that she had. And she donated 42 of them. Do you know what? This automatically lets me know that this number is going to be bigger or greater than 42. Yeah, I'm feeling good about that. So I'm going to take this, and after she donated the books, she had 26 books left. So if we can subtract here, I think what we could do is we could say 46 plus, whoa. Oh, this would have given me a wrong answer. 42. See, this is why we have to keep checking. 42 plus 26. Let's see if this works. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. Let's check. Let's see. 68 minus 26. Let's try 8. Minus 6 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Yay! It works! Hooray! So, she sent out, how many books did she send out, guys? Oh, she had 68 books. Whoa! Okay. Yikes. Okay. I'm going to scroll over there. We won't look at that anymore. Barbara had 75 cents. Then she spent 27 cents. How many cents does Barbara have now? Ooh. She had 75 cents. Then she spent, oh, you know what? Let's not forget that. Then she spent 27 cents. Now notice how I'm lining my ones and my tens up. 5 minus 7. Oh, I can't do that. I'm going to have to regroup. Here's 6. 15 minus 7 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. And Barbara has 48 cents left. If you feel really great about things, you are going to have an awesome time at the homework. Be of good cheer. It's going to be awesome. And work hard. I will talk with you here later. Take care.